Hi everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to this parameter. This review will be helpful for those who are willing to switch their career, willing to pursue in the UI UX profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out the link from the description after the video. Also, let's start with the review. It's a diploma in UI UX design course by Design Maniac and it's a theory part about the UI UX and covering all the fundamentals. And the course duration is of 6 months. Three levels are there. And this is a course layout about the UI UX design expert. User research and portfolio building. Also help in designing the work project with HTML, CSS. And thinking is also career opportunities after completion of the course. So nothing else, no tools, knowledge, no detail about the modules and fundamentals. And the principles is there, but it's a not non-recommendation course because I will not recommend this course anymore because they are not providing any tools and training. Also, they have not a proper knowledge about the tools and fundamentals. So it's a structure is again 0.5 for me and fundamental is again 0.5 for me. UI design quality is 0 for me as a page of this UI is also not looking very good and if we give a rating, it's a 0 for me. Handle project is again 0 for me. Tools and software training is again 0 for me. Mentorship and feedback is again 0 for me. Portfolio development is not there, so it's 0 for me. Placement is not option there, so it's 0 for me. Course values fees again 0. Industry relevance update is again 0. So it's a 1 out of 10 and it's a non-recommendable course to anyone because they are not guiding you about the proper UI UX course. It just a time pass course if you want to pursue, but there are many better courses in the market which covers at least the basic guidance about the UI UX. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. Also, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX and all the weightage related to fundamentals, overall design quality, also helping portfolio development and placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.